My name is Ricardo and I teach dancing. I teach contemporary, hip-hop, modern, creative movement and lots of other crazy latest moves. Dance saved my life in the old South Africa, so for me I believe it can save a lot of lives for other people, the youth today as well. That's why I'm sharing as a dance teacher. In the community where I grew up, Hout Bay, a beautiful fishing village. My father was a fisherman and my mom was just looking after us, and there was absolutely nothing to do in the community, and I happened to find this wonderful enjoyment through movement and started with a bit of drama, theatre, and I developed already at the age of 4 to start pointing my toes. I'm sure my father wanted me to become a fisherman, but I didn't like the gumboots at all. And it's a very powerful tool, I think, in everybody's life, and everybody should be dancing. I felt that I had to give back to the community and sort of made an offer that I would actually teach the kids, maybe take 20 kids, and when I looked at all these hungry faces, I could not actually say I'm going to choose who can come and who cannot come. So at the moment I'm teaching 400 kids. It's unbelievable, and I think and I hope, in fact, they can all take something from dance with them through their life. They don't have to become dancers, but I think there is something for everyone in dance.
Form of art, that's great. That means you have to always be on time for your lesson. again here, and I love working with these young gentlemen. They really give me a lot of therapy too, because when I teach, I just love it. It's just my passion. What else can I say? How do you feel about that?
Well, for me, it's also very therapeutic for me, you know. It's like meditation, it clears my mind, you know, which means nothing else. It's just flying like a bird, you know what I mean? So I feel free. That's how it makes me feel.
Amazing. Yeah.
For me, the dance class is also therapeutic, but the thing that I like most about this class is it uplifts my mood, and it makes me just feel better about myself, and it gives me the sense of freedom. And when I'm dancing, I feel like I don't really have those problems that is weighing on me. I tend to forget about everything and just focus on what I'm doing in the class.
From my side, I would agree with all these gentlemen here. The dance is very therapeutic. It's a very nice way to get out there, you know. If you've got anything you think your mind is full of ideas and whatever, you've got problems or whatever.
Well done, guys. Excellent. Hi, good day. My name is Ricardo Koopman, a South African, born and bred in Hout Bay. I'm a dance teacher. How dance really became part of me is quite a long story, but I'm going to make it short and sweet. I used to come out of my parents' home, and I just saw this ice cream van coming past me, and I just heard this incredible music, and it was almost like a classical type of music, and I was just so inspired by this piece of music. And I was only the age of 5 when I heard this, and that got me to go into a dance studio. I met Pippa Duffy and also Siska Uwet, and from that day onwards I was in a dance studio. I was the only boy in that class, so it was not even an issue for me. It was a beauty, the music, the way the teachers conduct the class, the way everybody else moved lyrically, beautifully together, and I just feel that dance has made just such an incredible impact in my life. And as I said, dance saved my life. And through the obstacles that I had, I've never looked back at that obstacles. I grew up in the time of the apartheid area, where it was quite a big struggle. I could not walk certain places, but I did not worry about that because I knew I had a beautiful tool dance, and that pushed me so that I can actually become who I am today. Always wanted to be famous, but fame for me was not about the glory for myself, but it's to give back to the community. And I've been doing this probably for 3 decades, and as dance saved my life, it saved many, many, many thousands and thousands of other beautiful kids' lives. You know, it gives them the deportment, the respect, the quality, the movement, the creativity, the joy of just being who they are. They can express themselves in such an incredible way. And I feel when I met Emilie, she came to a school and she came to give back in her way through movement, but it was through music that she brought into the school. And when I met her, I wanted to give her this beautiful tool of lyrics that I wrote out of myself about my struggle that was so painful, but dance just overpowered every aspect of it. And I am just so grateful to Emilie that actually composed and written that entire piece of music. It was music that I just asked her to do so that I can teach it in class, in the dance class, but she just pushed it beyond that. she made it a beautiful piece of music that is now in Netherlands. And I would really want to thank you so much, Emilie, for your incredible hard work. It took 2 years that you've done that. I thought, why is she not, can't she just put it together quickly? But as we know, dance, we can't just get up and dance. We have to train for it. And this incredible art form, dance, this tool I have, God gave me this gift, and I am so grateful. So if there's anyone that wants to contribute to Ricardo's Modern Dance Studio, please feel free, open your heart, share, and even come to South Africa and come into the studio and see how I work with these beautiful kids. Today I am set free from drugs, I'm free from alcohol, I'm free from sexual abuse, I'm free from crime, because we live in such a hardship in the entire world. There's always big struggles, but I will say that dance saved my life, and I am extremely grateful for this powerful tool that God gave me.